How do you monetize your YouTube videos in 2020? Estimated yearly earnings with Adsense Ads, T-Series with 160 million subscribers, $9.1 million to $146 million. PewDiePie with 102 million subscribers, $794,000 to $12.7 million per year. Dude Perfect with 46 million subscribers, $743,000 to $11.9 million per year. Brightside with 31 million subscribers, $738,000 to $11.8 million per year. Wow, that's pretty awesome, but that's just from Adsense Ads. It doesn't include sponsorships and brand deals. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 ways to monetize your YouTube videos in 2020. Make sure you stay to the end of the video where I show you 7 alternative ways to make money from YouTube without 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. Hi, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified immediately when I upload new videos. Number 1, Adsense Ads. In order to monetize your videos with YouTube ads, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. Your videos also need to conform to the YouTube policies and community guidelines. You also need to link your YouTube account to your AdSense account. Once your account has been approved for monetization, you can run ads on your YouTube videos. If your channel gets rejected for monetization, you can reapply within 30 days. Click the link in the card to watch my video on how you can get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Keep in mind that Google retains 45% of your YouTube earnings. After you made $100 from your AdSense earnings, Google will send you a check for $100. Alternatively, you can direct deposit earnings straight into your bank account. Here's how to check if your channel is eligible for monetization.
Log into YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio Beta, click Settings, click Channel, click Advanced Settings, click Status and Features. Under Monetization, you'll see if your channel is enabled. If it's not enabled, you'll probably see Ineligible. If you want to enable monetization for individual videos, click YouTube Studio Beta, click Videos. Select the video or videos you wish to monetize by checking the box. So I check the box here. You can see that this video is already being monetized. But if I click the drop-down box, I can click Off, click Save, then Monetization is off. If I click the drop-down box again, click On, click Save, then monetization is enabled for that video. And you can do the same for multiple videos on your channel.
Let me ask you a question. How are you currently making money from your YouTube channel? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. The next 2 ways to monetize your YouTube channel in 2020 doesn't require you to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program. Alright, that's great. What are they? Number 2, brand deals and sponsorships. This is a great way to generate another revenue stream besides AdSense Ads. It's also a great way to introduce new products and services to your audience. Brands are very interested to do deals with creators because it exposes their product to a different audience. And because you've built up an audience on your channel, you can expose that product to your audience. For example, one time I did a brand deal with Video Blocks where I did a review video of their software product. As a result, I got paid hundreds of dollars. If you want to get started with brand deals and sponsorships, I highly recommend creating a media kit. When a company approaches you, you can just send them a media kit to get all the details. Number 3, merchandise. This is where you can earn revenue from merchandise that complements your channel. You can link to approved merchandise sites that offer mugs and t-shirts, etc. Keep in mind that your merch has got to comply with the YouTube community guidelines. If you have over 10,000 subscribers, you can integrate your channel with Teespring. This enables you to sell merch from a shelf on YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about how to make money with merch, click the link in the card. Number 4, SuperChat. SuperChat is a great way for fans and creators to interact during the live stream. When someone donates a SuperChat, their comment is highlighted at the top of the live chat stream. There's different colors based upon the amount of the donation. Check that SuperChat is available at your location. The revenue generated from SuperChat will appear in a similar way as your AdSense revenue. For your channel to be eligible for SuperChat, you've got to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program, which means you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. You also have to be over 18 years old. If you want to learn more about how to generate revenue with SuperChat, click the link in the card. Here are some important tips to keep in mind if you want to monetize your YouTube videos in 2020. Number 1, build an engaged audience first by creating great content. Number 2, build multiple streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. For instance, don't rely on Adsense Ads as your sole source of income from your channel. Instead, utilize multiple income streams. So if you're a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you can utilize Adsense Ads, SuperChat. If you're not a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you can explore sponsorships, brand deals, and merchandise. What are the alternative ways to make money from YouTube without meeting the requirements of 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months? I'm glad you asked. Just watch the next video for 7 alternative ways to make money from YouTube without 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.